We're going to be doing box and whisker plots. Now, there's a bunch of data up here from Mrs. Gray's math class, some test scores. Now, all that data is out of order. The first thing we got to do is put that data in order. So, below, I'm going to just start with my lowest value. In this case, it's a 66. I'm going to write that down. Next one is a 71. Then we got 72, 73. After that, we got 82. Then we have 85, 85 twice. Then we have 86, 89. And then 91, 92, 95. Our last three. So 91, 92. Let me cram in that 95 at the end. Oh, I guess I'm not going to be able to. I'll have to write it down below. Now, we have to go through, and what we're going to need to do is figure out where our median is, where our middle value is. So I'm going to just put little marks through them. So I got one at a time here. 1, 92, 72, 91, 73, 89, 82. Now our 2 in the middle is 85, so that means our median, our middle values will be right in the middle of here. So our median will be 85. So that's going to be important. I'm going to mark 85 up above on our plot. Now each side has 6 values. There's 12 values total. Now half of them, 6 of them, are on this side, and then the other 6 are over here. Now the next thing we're going to do is get a lower and upper quartile. So those are going to be the middle of those sets. Now the lower quartile is going to break this into 2 groups of 3. So this is our first quartile. That's between 72 and 73. So if I add those and divide by 2, I'm going to get 72.5. And I'll mark that. It's going to be in the middle of 70 and 75. On the other side, we got 89 and 91. So our third quartile, the third quartile for this is going to be 90. So I can put a dot right above the 90. Now the other 2 things that we need our minimum and our maximum. And our minimum is our lowest value. And the maximum is over here. Our maximum, I'll write it above. That maximum is going to be 95. So I'm going to write dots, place dots above 66 where I think it's going to go, and then right above that 95. So now we have all those values that we need to make our box and whisker plot. Now, each of the 3 inside values, the median, the first quartile, and the third quartile, make up our box. So in that, we're going to draw our box. Now we have, in that box, we have 50% of our numbers. And the other 2, the farther ends, the minimum and the maximum, we're going to make those whiskers because they have the lower or highest values in here. So for this case, we have a minimum of 66. I'll put all those values over here. We had a first quartile of 72.5, a median of 85, third quartile of 90, and we have a max of 95. Now the only thing left to do is labels. So down here, these are our test scores. I wish they left us a little room with the title. Now I'll just put my title over here. This is Gray's math class. So something descriptive that gets the point across. Hope this helps.